Hello friends, now today I'm going to show you amazing feature to merge the two videos using one of the software called FFmpeg. So I just now seen this exe. So it's a very good one. So if you wanted to merge two videos, two or three for any more than one videos to want to merge those using single command, so it is going to be dead easy. So first of all we have to access this one FFmpeg website, and you need to download this. If you click download, then it will show. So you have to select the one which operating system you want. If you want to go for Windows, then select Windows and check this one, Windows built by this option. So here, from here you need to click unzip this one. If you click this one, so you are going to get download. And once you save here, so unzip. After unzip documents, after unzip, go to, so this is the unzip folder. From here go to bin, and so this is where the exe available, that is this exe. So from here we need to go for command prompt. Go to your command prompt, cmd, and from here access this folder from the command prompt, cd. Just copy paste that one, then it's get added. Then access that ffmpeg exe, and if to verify whether it is installed properly or not, working properly or not, just check this one. If you see this one, then it's good. Don't try to click the exe, so it won't work. Then means to make it work, you have to access from command prompt. From here, let's imagine you have files called multiple files. Let's imagine you have I mean videos. I have some videos. So suppose you are having multiple videos here and you want to match that. So I want to merge these files. Suppose if you want to merge more than one, there is a simple command. So this is the steps. First you have to create a list folder. So list text file. So the text file should be inside of the bin folder where we have downloaded recently. So this is where I have unzipped that software and go to the bin folder. So we have to create a text file here. So like a list. So in this list, so this is my text file. So here in this list file, as per this document, you have to give the text like this, the file, that path of that your video. So if you see here, I am trying to merge three files. So order, it's up to you. So it going to add this file to this one. It going to add as order. So it get added with this one, this one. So you just decide which order you want, and once you, once you create a file like this and go to command prompt. So go to command prompt, as it mentioned here, chat gpt, this is the command you need to run from command prompt. Just copy paste that and see. So it's going to create a file with the merged here, mp4. So it's going to take the files from the text file and it's going to create a final output with the name merged one. Let me try. It's a very quick. And the one more issue, one more advantage is it won't last your quality. it will still maintain your quality. So there is no compromisation with video. If you see here, this is a, so there is a file get created with matched one. So this is the final matched. So let me start. See that this is the total 39 minutes of file it matched. And if you see here, I just only matched three files, not for all. So see, I just matched from here. There's a three files. So it's up to you, how many files you want to match. But this software is looks so good, and it needs little knowledge, but it works very well. It won't compromise the quality also. I just wanted to update you guys. Thank you. Please keep watch my video and update your feedback. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.